Alright, got another 3x3 shape mod. This time it is the Windmill Cube. Now the Windmill Cube is very interesting. I know obviously I've mentioned a regular 3x3 a lot, and I've also mentioned the Fisher Cube quite a bit. This thing is kind of in between. It's not turned 45 degrees on its axis, but it's in between, and so it kind of looks wonky, and it makes for a very interesting solve, especially whenever you first go to pick it up. In my opinion, it's very like run-of-the-mill when it comes to 3x3 shape mod difficulty. I wouldn't recommend it as your first one, but it's definitely much easier than, say, something like a Ghost Cube or an Axis Cube. So, in my opinion, when I first picked this thing up, I was really used to the Fisher Cube. I'd had it for a while, and so it was hard for me to wrap my mind around actually what side of the centers the edges go on, if that makes any sense. Because the centers have orientation, or at least four of them, but it doesn't look like they do because they're just one color. It's the shape of them. So it kind of threw me off when I first started to solve it. But after solving it a few times, and now I've solved it hundreds of times, it's not hard. So it's the exact same, again, once you wrap your mind around the pieces, it's the exact same thing as any 3x3. I solved the first, I solved the cross, I solved the corners, and then I solved the middle layer because, again, for most 3x3 shape mods, I just do beginners F2L. I don't do a CFOP or anything like that. And on the Fisher Cube, a lot of people struggle to, like, a lot of people do the last layer, just beginner's method. I actually do at least a little bit of CFOP for the last layer as I go and almost drop the puzzle. But yeah, I'm able to tell where what algorithms to do, or at least the algorithms that I know. It's not that hard for me. So yeah, now that I'm on the center orientation, I appreciate you all for watching.